I am already in receipt of the warrant of arrest issued against me by the 5th Division of the Sandigan Bayan. Nais ko lang pong bigyan din ang mga bagay na ito. I will remain firmly with the majority bloc under the leadership of Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Hindi ako matitinag sa anumang panggigipit, pananakot, political maneuvering para talikuran ang aking paninindigan. I will not yield to threats. I will not be intimidated. I will not be pressured into surrendering my independence of judgment. I am giving instructions to the Senate Secretary to put on hold my salary. Personal kong pasya ito